Hi, everyone. This is Brad from TimeToTalkTech.com. Here's a really simple way that I use ChatGPT. You may not have thought about it. You can see I'm just using the free version, not even logging in. This would be really good for students as well. Sometimes I have about 10 different things going on floating around in my head. So instead of trying to organize them all myself, I can dump them right into chat. So here's what I'm writing. I need to email the soccer coach, pick up groceries, call the dentist, finish my presentation for Monday, return something to Amazon, remember to pay the electric bill by Friday. So organize them into a prioritized to-do list. Okay, and group them together and tell me what I should do first. Now you can see how helpful that would be for yourself, but also for students. Now, if I only have 30 minutes, what should I do? Okay, there you go. Pay the electric bill, email, call the dentist, and skip those. So there you go. Just a very simple, quick way that maybe you haven't thought about using chat. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.